Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Apple's new upcoming iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max may get a new display design, but will retain a more controversial feature. According to the latest news, Apple has said the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max variants of the iPhone 18 series will feature a more compact dynamic display. On the other hand, a new leak has hinted that the company will retain the notorious features. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Apple is reportedly working on a completely new design for the 20th anniversary iPhone, which will be unveiled next year. Meanwhile, the iPhone 18 series is also expected to receive a minor redesign. However, a new report suggests that the upcoming phones will retain a feature that was quite problematic in the iPhone 17 series. The new information comes from a tech leaker, Fixed Focus Digital, who wrote on Weibo that the iPhone 18 Pro will likely continue to use aluminum. Apple switched to more durable and comfortable titanium in the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max also followed suit with a titanium frame. Apple decided to return to aluminum in the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, which quickly sparked customer complaints. There were several instances of the frame easily denting and even discoloring, but this apparently didn't deter Apple from opting for a cheaper alternative to titanium. The leaker also stated that those who contacted Apple about chipped surfaces on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max were told that this was an inherent characteristic of the material and subject to normal wear. However, this move is understandable, as titanium is more difficult to work with and more expensive. In an era of rising component prices, Apple is trying to save wherever possible. It was reported that the iPhone 18 series would be priced the same as the iPhone 17 series, meaning Apple is absorbing the costs, rather than passing them on to customers. Owners of the iPhone 17 Pro in Cosmic Orange have reported a color change over time. The devices take on a pink or rose gold tone, which in some cases requires replacement. 4 new colors are being developed for the iPhone 18 Pro: dark cherry, light blue, space gray, and silver. The dark cherry option will be a darker matte wine shade, compared to last year's Cosmic Orange. The presentation of the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max is scheduled for September 2026. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.